0, 1.
Just in case you need to know, I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more. Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more than before. Even on the days I'm not.
And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well, and hi guys if you're new here. So I hope you guys all enjoyed my last YouTube video. So today I have been at Adele's all day. I have just got back home and I need to tidy up and sort my bedroom out. That's the state and it needs sorting. Let's go. Powered by Heather Small, like every single year group, like so from year one, like so from reception to about year 6, year later, walk in and walk out in, she would play that song every single time. Anyway, when after group, and I'm at my nan's house. Bye. Hello guys, it's now the next day and I'm going for my eyebrows doing. See you guys shortly after. Hello guys, I've now been and had my eyebrows done and I'm now at Adele looking after the dogs while they've just gone and she's just gone and run Tom Evans and then she's gonna come and pick me back up and then we're gonna go to Adele's friend who's with it. And Mabel needs feeding, so I have got a biscuit here and Adele wants me to like hand feed her, make her sit and stuff. So I'm just going to do that. I've just put Marnie away. So I'm just gonna now start making sit and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Really well at sitting down and stuff when I was giving her the biscuit. I'm now going to have a sandwich of my own. And I'm going to have a cheese spread sandwich, the last one. Sorry out and some chicken crisps. So I'm going to enjoy that. And I'm also going to put on YouTube and watch Elliot Swift because I've got like 3 episodes that I need to watch of hers. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Guys, I'm still at Adele looking after the dog. Adele just stopped Amelia off at Barnsley. And Mabel is touching the bone. And Marnie is just walking around being silly. So yeah, I will be going home soon. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! Hello guys! Good morning. Just like I was all day yesterday. But today instead for a little bit I am going to Barnsley with my nana and a friend, Jill. I will vlog some bit that I get in Barnsley. I'm just going to have a drink of orange juice. Let me show you this because, oh my giddy goodness. Mommy me. Oh, also I got some flowers yesterday, some pink flowers that if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will have seen the flowers. And I like the pink and they go in my pink vase really well at the roses, and you know what, they actually reminded me of my granddad. Because they were I was thirsty. I was that thirsty that there's nothing left in it. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in a bit. Goodbye. Hello guys, so now at Barnsley Market. Just having a look around. Can I have a ham and cheese panini, please?
Yeah, there's joiner for
Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment down below, and I shall see you guys all in the next video. Bye.